Bucky's. Let's go to Bucky's. Bucky's is an awesome gas station chain. Really cool down here. Check them out. Bucky's is pretty awesome. There's quite a few of them. They used to be only in Texas. But they recently started branching out. But they were Texas only. This one here has the largest car wash in the world. Bucky's has the largest car wash in the world. And there it is. Here's the beginning of it. It goes down a little ways. Of course, I'm on a motorcycle, so I'm not going to go through that. Bucky's gas station. I'm going to go around. So this is what I got. Better than a bagel, cashews. I'm not sure if you can see that. Better than a bagel, cashew. Pretty dang good stuff. Better than a bagel, cashews. Here at Bucky's. It's hot as usual. 100 plus usually. And oh yeah, of course. On the road again. Yeah. And out of all this shit, third largest city in the United States, Houston, Texas. Houston, Texas. Is it? It sure is. Katy Bucky's. Bucky's. Awesome place. It sure is. sure is. Galveston, Texas, USA. We landed. Perfect landing. Ha ha ha. Yeah. Perfect landing. Yes, sir. So, my voice cracks. Bam! Yeah! So, there's some great fishing out here. Great fishing, great boating. There's a lot of cruises that come out of Galveston. So if you like going on cruises, there's cruising, inexpensive, and man, it's great food, great fun. Just so much stuff to do out here. Galveston is a great, fun place. A lot of events, concerts, surfing. I mean, it's not the best surfing, but there's surfing. It's a pretty cool place. If you like history, there's a lot of history here too. Check out all these old cemeteries. There's a bunch of these around. These old cool cemeteries with all these old cool headstones. Pretty cool. Pretty neat. Pretty neat jelly bean. And so now we're gonna head out of Galveston, Texas. We're gonna be heading out of Galveston, Texas, and we're gonna head towards the United States of America. Galveston Island, we're leaving. So we're leaving the island and going to the mainland. We're going to Galveston. Or we're leaving Galveston. We're leaving Galveston Island and going to the mainland, USA. USA! You can see the line to get to USA. Get to the border. Run for the border. We're gonna have to. Is there a border here? Huh? Is there a border here? A border to leave the island and get to the United States mainland? Ah, fuck. Somebody cut in front of me. Fucking son of a fucking bitch. Fuck! Fucking. So anyways, now we're gonna fucking have to wait fucking one car. Fucking. So anyways, here we are, leaving the island. Hopefully there's no border. Fucking. Fuck! Somebody got in fucking front of me again. And we're going to the mainland. USA! Right in front of me. We're getting close to it. To United States of America. Right in front of me. Do you feel the tension rising of the expectation of excitement? I feel it. See, look, right in front. Can you see that sign? I can see the sign, but I don't know if the camera can see the sign. But see, it says 45 North, Houston, Texas. Houston, we have liftoff. Houston, 45 North. Do you see that? I see it. Can you see it? I'm not sure if the camera can see it, but I can see it with my own two eyes. Right in front of me. We're going to get closer. We're going to USA mainland. USA of America. USA, United States of America. They say US, so United States, they don't say the O, they don't say the OA, they don't say the OAA, they didn't say USA, USOAA, they say USA, USOOA. Anyways, they say USA, United States of America, fucking son of a bitch. Fucking son of a bitch! United fucking States of fucking, they don't have all the F's in there either. United States of America. Here we go, you fucker. Here we fucking go, you fucking fucker. Right fucking now, you fucker. Here we go. There doesn't seem to be a border. We have liftoff. We are, I think, above Galveston Island. No, maybe we're not. False liftoff. False liftoff. We don't have liftoff yet. We're not off of the island yet. Or maybe we are. It used to be a little bit higher than the island. So we are, maybe we're just like treading above the island. We're about have liftoff. We're off the island of Galveston, Texas. And maybe we're losing, oh shit, we must have some electric power. We must not be, we must not be fueled. We must not be gas, we must be electric. Because it looks like we're back to Galveston. We must be some sort of electric powered fucking son of a bitch. So, anyways, not done yet. Not fossil fuel where it's a done deal. You know, if it was fossil fuel, we'd be off into the sky high American pie. So here we go, I think. Sky high American pie. And we are going to be in the sky high American pie, leaving Galveston, Texas. T for Texas. What's the capital of Texas? T. T is the capital of Texas. So, here we are. It looks like we're up Galveston Bridge. We're up above. Okay, we have liftoff. We are now above Galveston, Texas, and on our way to the mainland. There's not a border. You don't have to worry about a border. Here we go. I'll give you some peace and quiet while we cross and go to the mainland, U.S. of A. And you don't say that, of A. Because it's United States of America. Almost. We have the wheels down. We have landed. Houston, we have landed.